Hi sweethearts, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Baby, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you 5 easy tips that can help you grow your edges / regrow your edges. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining the family, sweetheart. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. Subscribe and hit the bell to get post notifications if you haven't. So let's get into the video. So the first tip I'm going to be sharing with you is that you need to stop braiding or weaving your edges. Your edges are very fragile and they're not as strong as the hair on your head. So any pressure on them can make them fall out easily. If you look at this picture closely, you can see that this person's edges are braided so tight that whenever she takes out that braid, her edges are going to fall with the extension, and this is very bad and it can hinder your edges from growing. So stop braiding your edges so that your edges can grow. My next tip is always massage your edges and scalp. Whenever you massage your edges or scalp, it stimulates the blood vessel to increase blood circulation and flow to your scalp, edges and hair follicles. So this increased circulation brings more oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles, and this aids hair growth. So what this simply means is that whenever you massage your scalp or edges, there's always a circulation that brings oxygen and nutrients to your hair, and this helps your hair to grow. Always massage your edges and scalp because they aid hair growth. Stop. Always use hair growth oil or creams. Rubbing your edges with oils or creams that stimulate hair growth helps in growing or regrowing your edges. These oils or creams helps to repair your damaged edges, and this encourages hair growth. So I use this hair growth and dandruff removal cream. I got it from Cardi Beauty Craft. I got it for $2.5. It contains shea butter, apocynum and almond extract. So basically this cream helps your hair to grow and removes dandruff. So if you like to get it, I'll put the instructions on how you get it in the description box below. If you don't want to use the cream, you can also use coconut oil, because coconut oil contains essential vitamins and fatty acid that nourishes the scalp and stimulates hair growth and also makes your hair strong. Next up, quit using edge control or glue. Using edge control when trying to grow back your edges is very wrong. The constant manipulation of your edges with hard bristle brushes and edge control gel prevents your edges from growing back. You can try other styles that requires unlaid edges like flat twists, 2-strand twists and other styles. Also, if you must wear wigs, make sure you use the ones that does not require glue, and whenever you are wearing a wig cap, make sure that the wig cap is not tight because edges are very fragile. And my last tip for today is you need to be patient. You really need to be patient because growing back your edges takes time, and you follow all these steps consistently, you get a positive result. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining the family. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free. I need the bell to get post notifications if you haven't, and don't forget to drop a comment on what you like to see next on my channel. See you in my next video. Mwah.